Hi, sisters. And back again and again and again and again. Come back to my video. For today's video, I will be unboxing 3 different kinds of gifts. Gifts to myself when I came back from Philippines. I bought it at the airport, duty free in Stockholm. These ones. And then Mother's Day gift. A stand mixer. Because I love to bake nowadays. Of course. Last but not the least.
Wow!
Some gifts from my dear friend J-Lo. Jocelyn. We will be having this. I have received these gifts, so we will be swapping or exchanging of gifts. Okay, so shout out to my dear friend Jocelyn Lopez. She also has a YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, just continue watching. Hi again, Winsters. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, don't forget to subscribe, Winnie Mercado Johansson, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. So, for today's video, we will be starting with the unboxing of this I bought at duty free in Stockholm, Arlanda Airport. So, let's have a look. Last March 26, 2020, when I came back from Philippines trip. So, actually, I would just like to buy eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, because I couldn't find my eyeliner. So, I'm just supposed to buy only one liquid eyeliner. But the sales lady there at duty free told me that there's this special offer from this beautiful products, Guerlain Paris. So
3 hours later.
So I just checked the pronunciation. It's Guerlain, one of the oldest brands, French brands.
Oh my God! Wow!
Which make perfumes or cosmetics or skincare products. There you go. So we can start with the liquid eyeliner. Kasi ito talaga yung hinanap ko. So the sales lady told me that this is a very good brand. Yeah, Guerlain. But I know that they are quite expensive, because in Sephora I have already seen Guerlain products and they're really expensive. So actually this one I have already seen in this Guerlain Meteorites base primer. I have seen this one already at Sephora. And it was so expensive, so I did not buy it. Maybe I can wait when they will have some sale or something. I don't know. So this was the best opportunity. So for this one, liquid eyeliner, Guerlain, Guerlain. It's really nice and it stays on your eyes very long. I was able to try it at the store. Really long lasting
Boggling.
and very good quality, of course. So for this one, the price is 409, 409 crowns. So in Philippine peso, it's times 5. So if it's 400 times 5, so it's about 2,000 pesos for this liquid eyeliner. Voila. Actually, I started to use it. I couldn't wait, so there you go. And then we continue with the next one. This primer from Guerlain. As you can see, I don't have nail polish because I have been baking nowadays. It's not good to have nail polish when you bake, even though you have gloves when I bake. Some plastic gloves. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, there are some small pearls, pink pearls inside, and then there's this transparent water or liquid. Or serum. There you go. And it's called Meteorites. Meteorites. Really nice. And it really makes your skin so soft. So this is what I use now as base before I apply foundation. So as you can see, the small pinkish pearls inside the bottle, and then there's water or transparent liquid. So the name is Meteorites Base. Meteorites Base. Perfecting Pearls. This one. Anti-dullness. The magic of meteorites was born from Guerlain's unique light sculpting expertise. In a spectacular technological feat, the magical pearls blend with a fresh, clean gel, transforming into a luminous primer that smooths, perfects, and embellishes the complexion, making it appear more beautiful and radiant than ever. So, that's how it does. This primer or base before you apply foundation. I can put it out na because I'll be using it. So, nga pala, because kaya ko siya binili kasi buy 2, take 3. So, tatlo yung binili ko, pero ang binayaran ko, 2 lang. So, I had a discount of 22%. Or, no, 20% off your next purchase. But, yung discount ko is, libre yung isa. Take 3, just pay 2. Yan. So instead of paying 1,597, I just paid 1,190. So, it was a really good deal. Tapos, mayroon akong mga giveaways. Mga pag-giveaways ng Gala. Ayan. Okay. Tsaka, binigyan nila ako ng necessaire. Or, ano ba ito, bag? It's necessary. Where you can put all your cosmetics or mga abubot. Ayan. And open it. Ta-da! Ayan. It says Guerlain Paris. There you go.
1 hour later.
The price of this Meteorite Space Primer by Guerlain is 649 crowns. So if it's times 5 in pesos, it's about 3,000 something in pesos. There you go. Meteorites Base Primer by Guerlain. And now for the third one.
Hours later.
And now for the third one, we have this Guerlain Paris L'Essentiel Natural Foundation. Yeah. We'll be unboxing. Ta-da-da! L'Essentiel Foundation by Guerlain. Ayan. Oops. Tek pang nahulog. Siya. So, it looks so elegant and so nice. Ayan. Siguradong maganda ito. So elegant bottle. And the price is, let's see, 539 pounds. £539. So if times 5, it's about 2,500 something in pesos. And there you go. I'm really so glad because I'll be having all these Guerlain products all together. Bali one set siya. I have this primer, and then foundation, and of course my liquid eyeliner.
Oh no!
So Head to body yung tatlo. Na-kompleto siya in one set. Liquid eyeliner. My base primer. Meteorite base primer. Number 2. And my liquid foundation. Number 3. There you go. All from Gerla. Gerla Paris. And I think that's all for this video kasi masyado nang mahaba. I'll be unboxing my number 2 and my number 3 on my next videos. Okay? That's all for now. And till my next video, don't forget to pray every day. And during this COVID crisis, always wash your hands with soap and water and apply alcohol. And if it's still quarantine, just stay at home and stay safe and be safe, and hugs and God bless. Bye. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos.